What's up, guys? Showing kind of how we set these jobs up. So what we do right now, the H6 has been on this side. And I cut a little bit back where forwarder is back there. That's the far, I shouldn't say that's the far, that's the second farthest landing. Actually, I think that's the third farthest landing. So what we do, the H6 ran through all this. And that is about a 24-inch tree head. That's maximum. 18 inches is about what your sweet spot is. I'd say maybe 15. So the H8 can handle double that. So we run up in front of the hand cutters and we cut everything out. We always cut all the road trees first. Always let the sunlight in on the road, especially like this time of the year when you need the rain to dry up. So anyways, I've been on, the H6 has been on this side. The hand cutters are making their way up. On this side though, me and this hand cutter, we have 2 to 3 hand cutters at a time. Right now we've been just having 2. Sometimes we'll have 4, depends on if the night shift guy wants to cut. But on this side now with the H8, this hand cutter, he don't have as much to do. I take a lot bigger trees. So me and him are way ahead compared to the other side. So what I'll do then is I'll come back through where the H6 was. There's at least some room to drop some of these log trees in here now. And I'll come back through with the 8 and I'll pretty much act like a hand cutter and cut a bunch of them big trees off. The landings and stuff, we'll just pop out, I don't know, probably every 200 yards, I'd say. That's about where he is down there. Throw my map up of this job too, and I'll kind of show you how I ran the lines, how it makes sense. Set these up for a quick skid. Like with this section, there's a road here. And then, fortunately, there's another road. Take me a little bit back up here. So I ran my trails parallel with the road. But there's another road which are both haulable roads. When the lumber company set this up, they set it up smart. There's another haulable road right here. So this is short right now. As you get back in there, it gets farther between the two. So I'm cutting everything that she can skid, pop out on this road, unload, pop out on this road, and unload, go back in, grab another one, pop out, unload, go back in, grab another one, pop out and unload. So it makes everything really nice and fast. Now over here, where they're skidding to this road, you can see everything's just going pretty much straight in. There's a road over here. It's not a great road, but this leads into the swamp here. So everything's boom, boom, boom. So on the opposite side here of the camera, everything's running parallel with the road because it's nice and quick. Here you're just going in and out. Boom, boom. So then all these roads that we got in here, we go through and we cut everything out. We got the dump truck filling all the holes. Most of them make loops. If I can add the map on here without having who the landowner is and stuff like that, I don't need people coming out here. But if I can add the map, I'm gonna try to show how we set all of it up. Okay, the purple and blue dots are roads. So here I went east to west. It's about 300 yards a piece. So then you'd skid up to that dot back there. That's a little food plot right there. It's good landing. All right, so they're skidding about 300 yards a time. Here was about 400 yards at a crack. Obviously, there's more trails than that in there. So that's like a 600-yard skid. So that one, they could eventually just pop out to the blue road. So maybe I'll turn my rows now east and west about halfway through. This little short one, I'll run them north and south. It'll be fast. Here the swamp was. So we started, you can see it, where the hardwood stops and the cedar starts. I was just outlining it here. So we got like about a 300-yard skid each time running through. And yep, that's pretty much how you set it up. Quick, easy skids, pop out, use that main road. Quick way to make some fast money. Don't know what else I was showing here. That was about it. Oh, you turn your trucks around. Trucks come in, make a nice loop on these food plots, come up to the landings. Landing every about 200 yards here. Another nice turnaround for the trucks. If you got 3 of them running at a time, which we usually do, they can come in and come flying through. Thanks for watching. Give a like, follow, and a comment.